Welcome to our laundry showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two compact laundry solutions, the WonderWash portable washing machine and the ROVSUN 17.6 lbs full automatic washer and dryer set. If you're living in a small space like an apartment or dorm, you know the struggle of finding the right laundry solution. The WonderWash offers a manual, non-electric option perfect for those who prioritize portability and simplicity. On the other hand, the ROVSUN set provides a fully automated experience, combining washing and drying in one convenient package. Let's explore their features, capacities, and which one might be the best fit for your laundry needs. The WonderWash is designed for ultimate portability, making it an excellent choice for RVs, camping, or small apartments. Weighing only 5 pounds and requiring no electricity, it can be used anywhere. In contrast, the ROVSUN set, while still compact, requires electrical hookups and is heavier, making it less portable. If you need a laundry solution that you can easily move around, the WonderWash is the clear winner. When it comes to automation, the WonderWash requires manual effort with its hand crank operation, which can be a workout for users. On the other hand, the ROVSUN offers a fully automatic experience, handling the entire wash and dry cycle with just the push of a button. For those who prefer convenience and ease of use, the ROVSUN is the way to go. Capacity is another critical factor to consider. The WonderWash has a modest capacity of 5 pounds, making it suitable for small loads like delicates or baby clothes. In contrast, the ROVSUN can handle up to 17.6 pounds, allowing you to wash larger loads and even dry them in one go. If you have a larger household or need to do laundry less frequently, the ROVSUN's capacity is a significant advantage. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the ROVSUN offer unique advantages for compact laundry solutions. The WonderWash is perfect for those who prioritize portability and simplicity, while the ROVSUN provides the convenience of a full laundry cycle. Depending on your needs, one of these products could be the ideal fit for your laundry routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.